Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the Chai app on a laptop. Yes, it is possible to use the Chai app on your PC by utilizing Android emulators or web-based platforms. Then, download and install an Android emulators like BlueStacks, LT Player, or Gimloop on your PC. Next, open the emulator and sign into the Google Play Store using your Google account credentials. Now, search for Chai Chat AI platform within the emulator's Play Store and install the app. Launch the Chai app from the emulator's home screen once installation is complete. Alternatively, access Chai via your web browser by visiting chai.mi for a web-based experience. For instance, browse access without downloads. Use platform like now.gg. Then, ensure your PC meets the emulator system requirements for optimal performance. Enjoy chatting with AI characters on a larger screen with keyboard and mouse support. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.